Adrian, how's it going? I just said I'd make you a quick video for the shapes for Biko drum. So it's tuned in DADGAD. So it'll be D, A, D, G, high A, high D. So if I'm talking about the strings, I'll be talking in DADGAD. It starts off with the hey, listen to the Biko drum. The chords I'm playing are E minor, C and D. E minor are the D and A, low D and A on the second fret, so the top two. C minor shape. C then is the middle D on the second fret, the low A on the third fret, and the high A on the third fret. And D then is the G on the second fret. Hey, listen to the Biko drum. Hey, listen to the Biko drum. For the verse then, it's the first part, the came home on an Easter road. On a silent night trying not to show. That's all D and G, so that's the D chord again. The G chord then is the low A and low D strings on the 5th fret, top two on the 5th fret. That's your G. Came home on an Easter road. On a silent night trying not to show. Next part then. Who goes where and who goes when? Thinking one day soon they'll get it back again. So that's going G, A, D, the first line of it. A is the middle D, the G string, and the high D on the 2nd fret. Or if you want, you can slide your G up 2 frets, that's A as well. That's who goes where and who goes when? Or who goes where and who goes when? And then you're going C and D for the last line. Thinking someday soon I'll get it back again. Then for the second part of the first verse, it's the exact same thing, just again. And for the chorus then, we'll go, it's E minor, B minor, C for the first part. So it'll be the renegades sing all the renegade songs. So it's E minor, and then the B minor is the low A on the 2nd fret, and then the middle D and G string on the 4th fret. And C. Renegades sing all the renegade songs. Next part goes E minor, B minor. So ones who no hope they're doing wrong. And you're going C, D, E minor. The blacks and the colours play the Biko drum. The blacks and the colours play the Biko drum. And that's pretty much it. I hope that helps.